In this video, you're going to learn how to create an audit template in Excel, upload that audit template, and then create an audit as a result of the template. Let's first look at the template in Excel. In this case, we have the stockroom audit. Each template requires 6 headings: grouping, item name, requirement, additional info, details, and risk. Each of these groupings needs to be filled out in order to be uploaded into the system. Under grouping, this would be the category or area of interest that you would include any questions underneath. The item name can be a very brief description of the question or simply a number. The requirement is effectively the question or the stated requirement in order to comply to the conditions of this audit. You can then use the additional info and details columns in order to provide additional guidance text or context for each of the requirements. Risk is a numerical value of the score of each question. By default, we assign a score of 100, but you can select any integer that you require. Now, once this is done, we're going to want to upload this, so we're going to go to Mnemonic App, click on Audit Templates, and then click on Create Company Template. In this case, we'll simply call it a stockroom audit. The item status options can be changed to any nomenclature that you choose, and by default will be reflected as such. Under description, you can provide an audit summary, executive summary, or a brief description of what this audit covers. Under access, you can grant access to view and use this template to general users. As well, you have the option of creating a default type of report, which will be produced at the end of the audit. And finally, you can associate specific facility assets to this template. And to learn how to do so, please check out our video on assets. Now we're going to click on Upload CSV File, and it's going to ask us to select a file from our computer. We'll go ahead and do that, and we're going to look for the stockroom audit. There it is. We're going to click on Upload CSV, and this will then ask us to match the headers with our column names. In this case, we've matched them pretty much exactly, and so we can now create an audit template from the CSV file. In just a few short moments, the entirety of the audit template has been uploaded, and we can now begin our audit. And we do so by clicking on Start Audit. It'll ask you to confirm a facility, which ID you would choose to use, the title, the auditor, and the date. In this case, we'll stick to the defaults and select the Montreal office. You can then finally select which groupings you wish to include, and as there is only one, we're going to select it. Once you hit Save, the audit will become populated with the questions from the template, and you're ready to begin. This concludes how to create an audit template from Excel to be used in the Mnemonic system. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at info@mnemonic.com. Thank you very much.